It all began in the kingdom of Mathura. On that day, the whole kingdom of Mathura was very beautifully decorated. As it was the occasion of King Ugrasena's daughter, Devaki, getting married to Vasudeva. The very next day, when the newlyweds were about to leave, Kans, the brother of Devaki, declared that he himself would drive the chariot to Vasudeva's house. He took the reins of the chariot and the procession started to the sounds of conches, drums, and trumpets. But all the fun and cheerfulness stopped suddenly as the dark clouds surrounded the sky and a heavenly voice cut across.
O foolish Kans, beware! The 8th child of Devaki shall be the cause of your death.
Hearing the strange voice, Kans became angry. His face reddened in rage. Seeing this, poor Vasudeva and Devaki started shivering.
Yeah! I will prove that heavenly voice wrong by killing you right now! Yeah!
O Kans, you are a noble king. Why do you want to suffer the disgrace of killing a woman? Please let Devaki be left alive. Whenever she'll give birth to a child, I promise you that I'll hand over the child to you.
Vasudeva was relieved as he was able to avoid the present danger. As per Kansa's orders, Devaki and Vasudeva were arrested and thrown in jail. Kans came there and snatched their child from them. As the helpless Devaki and Vasudeva looked in horror, Kans killed their child brutally in front of them. This was just the beginning of Kansa's brutality. In the meantime, he killed all the sons of Devaki as soon as they were born. Leaving the couple crying in pain every time. But the time came, and that auspicious time arrived when the Lord was about to take birth. It was a dark night when the clouds thundered and it rained heavily. Devaki was blessed with her 8th son. Both Devaki and Vasudeva were amazed when they saw their 8th son.
O Lord, you have taken birth to protect the earth, but Kans will soon come to kill you as soon as he hears the news of you taking birth.
We know, Lord, that you will protect all of us. But don't let that evil conceive in this divine form. We request you to assume the ordinary form.
Dear mother, O father, I request you to take me now to your friend Nan's house, where his wife Yashoda has given birth to a baby girl. Please exchange me for that girl and place me by Yashoda's side. Do bring that girl here to take my place.
Lord Vishnu disappeared. Vasudeva and Devaki found that now their baby boy looked so normal. They praised the Lord. All of a sudden, their chains were broken and the jail door was thrown open. The jailers went to sleep. As the Lord ordered, Vasudeva took the child and started towards Nan's house.
To reach Nan's house in Gokul, I have to cross this river. O Lord, please show me the way.
The river gave way to the heavenly child and his father. Vasudeva crossed the river safely and reached the village of Nan.
No one comes to know about this.
O king, I have come to inform you that the child has been born.
No, not this one, oh brother. Leave her to me, as you have already snatched all my innocent children. And this is a girl. How will this little girl harm you? Please leave her, please.
Leave her! No! Not at any cost! This 8th child of yours will have to die! Yeah!
You fool! You will not gain anything from killing the innocent children. Your killer has already been born somewhere. He will destroy you as soon as the time comes.
Oh friend, why have you called us so urgently?
I have failed. Killer of mine has taken birth.
Kill all the newly born babies who have been born in and around Mathura.
Who will do this?
Who else but our very own Putana?
Who will let her go near their babies?
It seems Maharaj has forgotten my powers.
Go, kill my enemy and give me the good news.
Padma পদ্ম তোলার হইন প্রকাশ 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 বলে ছলে কালি তড়ি দেলাটি সে তড়ি দেলাটি কেড়ে ছন্দ জানিল সবি সকটা ধেনুকা বকা দর্প দড়ি সকটা ধেনুকা বকা দর্প দড়ি বনর নন গিলি দেলাটি সে গিলি দেলাটি গিড়ে ছন্দ জানিল সবি ইন্দ্র বিবাদে নির্ঘাত না দে ইন্দ্র বিবাদে নির্ঘাত না দে শিলা বরশিলা অতি প্রমাদে দেখিছ তাহাদে বিনা অবসাদে মন্দর গিরিকি সে মন্দর গিরিকি দেখিছিলাটি কিরে ছন্দ জানিল সবি বিস্তারি পাটি খাইলা মাটি বিস্তারি পাটি খাইলা মাটি বিস্তারি পাটি খাইলা মাটি বিস্তারি পাটি খাইলা মাটি মাঝ সমতি ছাটর পিটি সে ছাটর পিটি সে ছাটর পিটি মাঝ সমতি ছাটর পিটি আকটন্তে ধরে তা পেট ভিতরে আকটন্তে ধরে তা পেট ভিতরে অশেষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ড অশেষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ড দেখাইলাটি এড়ে ছন্দ জানিল সবি সে নন্দ রাজার টিকি পিলাটি এড়ে ছন্দ কেড়ে ছন্দ জানিল